Gold has started the week with a gap down opening and it has moved towards the first support levels at 74.75. In my weekly review for gold, I have mentioned that this is the only level below which little bearishness towards 1960 can be expected. Right now, it is taking the support and trying to rise. So, what to expect from gold? Is it going to continue again with the bullish bias, and can we expect 1995 2000 levels, or is it going to crash below 74 and we can sell here? Which position you should take trading gold today, I will tell you in a while with the help of charts and indicators, and towards that I will give you the strategy. Watch till, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Now if you look at the hourly charts of gold, see it is trading in this channel here, top bottom, and again rising. Where is the top here? The top is at 2000 levels. Is it going to move towards those? Let's have a look here. See, first of all, the moving averages on the hourly charts tried to converge, failing to crossover, again looking upwards, staying bullish. Next, if you see the resistance here at 87 88 levels is very very strong. Thus if you see gold trading above 87 88, then only I will recommend you to buy. And beyond 88 92 95 and 2000, these three levels it needs to pass by, and if it breaks past by these levels, the bullish momentum will consistently increase. Now another thing to observe here, you see it was forming a support at 80. It has breached this, it has achieved lower lows, and since then it has reached towards the highs, filling the gap, achieving the resistance level. So possibly we might see a range bound movement also. That is also one of the probabilities. But let's have a further detailed look here. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD, which was trading with a bearish bias, it is trying to show a convergence. If you look at the waves here, this bearish wave is done. What has happened here? It has shown a bullish move. Can it repeat here? I will wait for the crossover. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Top bottom, and now trying to rise again. But we have to wait for it to break past but the resistances, because you should note that this is all right now trading in this bearish channel. It has to give a breakout, and that is why I say beyond 1988 1987 zone is where slight bullishness can be expected, and you can treat this as breakout. Else it is still trading in this channel. Certainly below 1974 we can again try to initiate a selling position. Also look at the moving averages, right now trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic at bottom, trying to rise here. MACD, now see MACD was trading with divergence. It is still bearish, it is not yet crossed over, and yes, this is coming at a slightly higher levels. Possibility of a down move exists, but it is trying to show slight greener candles and waiting for it to converge. From there possibly it may take downside. RSI rising, coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, resistance. So yes, completely 85 to 88 zone. This is the zone where we have maximum resistance. On the 3 hour charts, lower highs, flat top, lower lows, flat top, and extreme swing candle here. This candle, if it reverses, trades above 85, possibly then 88, and beyond 88 is where the bulls will take over. Yes, on the 3 hour charts, moving averages have just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish as of now. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD crossed over at the top here and trying to show slight bearishness. And yes, this is coming after a preceding good bull run here. Thus we have to wait. It does not mean that it cannot scale further highs. It can scale further highs. But right now it is trading with the bearish bias. That is what you should note. So either we should wait for a crossover and let it reverse. That is the point. And I think that will happen once you see it staying beyond 88. Possibly it will try to cross over and rise, but right now it is trading bearish. Remember the fact. The stochastic has dropped here, coming to 4 hour chart. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, the crossover here, the divergence of the price towards the moving average, and the convergence. The divergence and the convergence, now again taking the support from the 20 period, it is trying to. But remember, only bullishness. First 85 88 zone it needs to break past by, staying above which you can say 92 95 will be seen, and then beyond that 2000 plus will be the next targets. At the same time, on the downside, we have to wait for it to break below 74, below 74 70 1970 1967 levels, the first targets, and then 1962 63 the next targets. These two levels, in fact 1960 I will include, these are great support, and below 1960 is where slight bearishness towards 1954. and then a crash below 1954. So you should watch the weekly review as well. It will give you further direction on what to expect. Stochastic here has come to oversold levels here. Look at MACD on the 4-hour charts. A strong bullish momentum, a crossover, very little divergence. This suggests that uh, right now it is not showing any strong bearish momentum. It has just crossed over. So I'll wait for one or more candles from here. If it diverges, certainly more bearishness can be seen. But if you divide into two half, you will find this run is done. What was preceding consolidation, what was preceding a retracement, and now it can again give a breakout. So we have to watch out. At the same time, right now it is looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. RSI rising here, coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, it has shown a rise. It is still trading in this bullish channel. Thus, we have to wait for it to come out of this channel. Specifically, below 1970 and 1960 levels is where the bears will take over completely. What is happening right now? It has given a gap down on the beginning of the week. It has bridged the gap also. This could be one of the reversal signs. Now, if we have a reversal sign, it means the trend should continue. It means it can go again on the downside. Thus, below 74, we have to stay short. We have to sell gold. Below 74, we can expect 67, 70. See, 20 period moving average is there, pivot is there, and 70 is a good support as well. So this complete zone between 1970, 67 is a good support here. Below 67, we can look forward to, in fact, 63 is a support, but I will look forward for it to break below 60 and then achieve 1954 levels. Now, before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch starts today, and this could be the last trading session, trading batch for the year 2023. Next batch, probably we are going to do it in the month of January. You have to wait for a little while. Thus, enroll yourself now itself. Reach out to me via Telegram or email, or visit the page www.forexfunda.com. All the links are in the video description and the channel description. Yes, or you can also be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me again via Telegram or email. Now, see, looking at the charts, I will only recommend you to sell now at 1975, 74 levels, and you can expect further bearishness, and I will expect 67, 70 as the first target, and below that certainly more bearishness will prevail, and we can see sub 1960 as well. It should be treated bearish. If it breaks below 1954 levels, yes, we can treat gold as bearish. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 1985. See, 85, 88, this is a zone where we have to be cautious, but yes, we can initiate a buying position at 85 with a little caution that it can reverse 80. As long as 88 is there, we have to be cautious. It can reverse. Thus, you have to put your stop losses at your entry price. Those who want to take a safer entry should wait for 88 to be breached. Beyond 88, 1992, 1995 is the first resistance zone, and then I will look forward to directly for gold to break beyond 2000 today. So take your trades accordingly. See you again before the US session video. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you.